In this video, you'll learn how to deploy your app on Firebase in just a few minutes, with fast performance, free SSL, and global hosting included. First, go to firebase.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click Add Project, give it a name, and follow the quick setup wizard to create your Firebase project in under a minute. Next, install the Firebase CLI on your computer by opening your terminal and running npm install g-firebase tools. Then type Firebase login to connect your Google account directly from the command line. Now, navigate to your apps folder and run Firebase init hosting. Select the project you just created, set your public directory, usually build, dist, or public, and configure it as a single-page app if your framework requires it. Once everything is set up, just run Firebase deploy. Within seconds, Firebase will upload your files and generate a live URL hosted on Google's global CDN with free SSL and HTTPS support included automatically. Finally, if you want to use a custom domain, open the Firebase console, go to the Hosting tab, and click Add Custom Domain. Follow the DNS instructions, and your app will be connected in just a few minutes. And that's it. Your app is now deployed on Firebase. Fast, secure, and ready for users all around the world.